Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to cut some ribs here. And the way to do the ribs is to measure another piece of foam. This is from another panel. You can cut these pieces from another panel uh, at 11 and a half inches in length. Now, the reason for 11 and a half in length, that's a half inch shorter than the actual panel that we've bent for the wing, is because when you establish this curvature, the panel shrinks. And so that's 11 and a half for the ribs. Then you're going to take your curvature of the wing and place it right over that panel there to create a profile that you can trace over that. Once you trace over that profile, and once again, this is at 1.5, on mine is 1 3/4 inches in height at the 4 inch mark from the leading edge. So if I were to measure 4 inches from the leading edge of from the edge of this rib panel that I'm going to make, um, you end up at 4 inches, and if you measure from this point to the top of that curvature, it's going to be 1.5 to 1.75. On mine, it's 1.75 inches in height. So I've already scored a foam board already, and I've already cut the ribs. And once you're done with that, the ribs should look like this. Now I've done 4 of them. I did this on my bandsaw just to make it really, really quick and make multiples in one shot. You can do this by hand, just using an X-Acto knife over a cutting mat. I don't have a cutting mat here because I'm not cutting over this table. Obviously, you don't want to ruin your table, but you want to cut this over a cutting mat anytime you cut things. These are the 4 ribs that I'm going to employ in this wing, and the way these ribs are going to be installed is you're going to hot glue one on each of the inner sections of the wing. Leave the ones for the outer ones for the last step. So you're going to glue that, hot glue that there. My hot glue is heating up right now, so I will be doing that in my next video. And then do the same in mirror image to this wing right here. And see the other end doesn't have a rib. So this is going to be the center section right here. You want to apply a generous amount of glue here and make a fillet here with the glue, so that this rib is well attached to the wing. And what we're creating is creating this center portion right here, which is this molded section is part of the wing already, but we're going to join that and create our angle for the hedral that the wing needs in the once we assemble both panels. So do that next.